Hi guys. Okay, here's another side project I was working on this summer. I was looking at ways of impregnating glass and I wasn't happy with the results. So what I did was I came up with my own idea. Okay, so what I did was I took some glass, okay, as you can see, it's got texture to it. Okay, I wanted the texture. The reason why I wanted the texture was because I want to impregnate it with other minerals. Okay, so this was the first trial. This was the second trial. Okay, and each time it's coming out a little bit better. Now this is the third trial where I soaked it in just some rust. Okay, and to get the iron into the whole, in through the whole, all the fibers of the glass. Okay, so I soaked it in some just rust and then let it dry. Once it was dried, I fired it. Okay, now it is brittle. It feels a lot lighter than regular glass, so I'm not sure why. There may be a lot of air still trapped inside, which does make it brittle. Now, what I did was I saved a piece of our stone, or granite, our red granite, okay? And I'm going to trial this little sucker and see if it does scrape off a little bit of the granite. But remember, we don't want to grind the granite. We want to cut the protectant on the granite. In Egypt's case, it's gold. In India's case, it's something like a shellac or a lacquer. Okay, so I'm going to give it a quick try here on a new spot. Definitely a little wear on it. And definitely it does scrape away a little bit of the granite. So I'm thinking this is a success, but it's still a failure because I still want to get more iron in through. Now, once I'm successful with iron, I'm going to use ruby powder, and I'm going to soak it in through my material matrix and then fire it with the ruby powder inside, and then I'll be ready to use the stylized knife that Egypt used for cutting the gold blocks for allowing acid to etch through into the granite. In the Americas, I've seen a bird-shaped Rupert drop, so I'm not sure if theirs is glass, but I'm going to try and applicate the acid using one of these and use it to scratch my finish, my protective finish, to allow the acid to soak through and etch only the portions of the stone that I want. So this is pretty cool. It's definitely a success. How much of a success? Not sure. We'll find out when we get to the ruby part. Cheers, guys.